so sorry we forgot to mukbang. I have some leftover French fries. How do you taste the whole fucking meal before you finish your fries? I don't know. He's not gonna be able to pick us up. I know, we know. Who's texting him? I was gonna, but he's still in therapy, so I was gonna call him actually. Oh, wait, here, here's his favorite. Can I have a sip of someone's drink? I barely sipped. Yummy! It's only weird to buy used underwear. Yeah, but I would buy used. How often are you supposed to wash your bras? I don't wash my bras. Yeah, me either. Maybe you can just wear this. I really got this. I've been wearing the same sport bra for like... What are you doing here? Yeah. I just like being comfy, you know? Since there's no more animal-style toppings on my fries, I'm gonna use ketchup. Because also they're like you don't even need to wash them. Yeah. Woo. Your bra? No, my slip is in it. But then, don't touch my booty. Oh, that's fucking. That was the bench move. I feel like this video is gonna get taken down. I'm just gonna speed it up so it'll be okay. It's a clip. Stupid asshole. Have you never taken off his bra? Yeah. That was so cool! I do that with my Snapchat AI, but I'm never up late. I'm gonna show you my. Unless I'm with a friend. I wish my Snapchat AI was like doing like me or something. Like they should like train it. Nail's gonna be done soon by Sally Beauty.